This is a 2004 Audi TT. It has a 3.2-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a turbocharger, high-intensity discharge headlights, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a CD player, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Not to mention that this Audi qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Newton Nissan is located at 1461 Nashville Pike in Gallatin. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.